Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So if you're just stopping by for the first time, you're welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, like, and leave a comment. I'm going to be sharing with you how I made this tea. So first of all, you're going to be needing some cloves. Cloves contains high levels of antioxidants and nutrients that can add to the growth and strength of your hair. Bay leaf also can help with regrowth. It can boost your hair growth and also strengthen your hair follicles. So first of all, you're going to be needing a jar, a clean or sterilized jar. So you're going to be adding 1 tablespoon of cloves into this jar. Cloves helps to protect your scalp from dandruff, which is actually a major cause of weak and thin hair. Cloves contains anti-inflammatory agents which help to thicken your hair. So we're also going to be needing 3 bay leaves and 1 cup of hot water. And after that, we're just going to cover this and let it sit for 48 hours, which is 2 days. If you're just stopping by for the first time, please don't forget to hit the notification bell and the subscribe button. Don't forget to share with your friends. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. And yeah, subscribe please. So the reason I'm making this tea is because I made a previous video where I lost so much hair after a protective hairstyle. So that is the reason why I am making this tea and sharing with you guys to help me replace the hair that I lost because I was really hurt. So this tea, trust me, this tea is going to help you. I've actually done a batch, but I decided to share this one with you guys because I actually saw some changes in it. That is why I'm sharing with you guys. So you're going to be needing 10 drops of an essential oil. I'm using tea tree oil and lavender oil. You can use any essential oil of your choice. Please pardon me for every background noise that you hear. It is actually not within my power to control them. Please bear with me and I really appreciate that. Thank you. So after that, you're going to just put this into you're going to add it into your spray bottle. Pour it in your spray bottle, I mean. And yeah, your cloves and bay leaf tea is ready for use. So please ensure you watch to the end of this video because I'm going to show you how I'm applying this on my hair, and after which I sprayed this tea on my hair, I'm going to be putting my hair in 2 cornrows, if that makes sense. But watch to the end of this video and you would see what I mean. Like I said earlier in this video, I've used this tea and it gave me a very good. I've used this tea before and I saw a very good effect on my hair. That is why I brought it to share with you guys. So this tea, I don't know why I keep calling it tea. Well, if I'm not calling it or saying it correctly, please pardon me and forgive me in the comment section. So please pardon me for playing with my hair. And yeah, please don't forget to subscribe because I keep bringing an honest review of everything that I've used on my hair for you guys. I don't bring what I have not used for you all. Anything that I've used, that is what I bring, and I make sure it did well on my hair before I can present it to you guys. So this is me just putting my hair in the cornrow that I stated earlier. So after that, it's just going to be the end of the video, and I'll be seeing you all in my next video. Please enjoy the rest of them, or the rest of the video, of this present video, and remember that consistency is key. Your hair does not grow overnight. It takes time, it takes consistency, and I don't know the other word, but you just have to be patient also. Thank you for watching to this very point. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to like, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, please guys. Please, I really need your subscriptions, guys. Thank you so much. I really love and appreciate my old and new subscribers. God bless you. Bye.